Okay, children, now we will learn the constructions of a straight line in two methods. One is Z method and the other one is arc method. So question is draw a line of 8 centimeters, divide it in 2:3 ratio. First you draw a line AB which is 8 centimeters in size. Now 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. 2 plus 3, first this method I'm telling 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Draw an acute angle and draw 5 equal arcs. Draw 5 equal arcs, okay? X1, X2, X3, X4, X5. And denominator you join to the tip, children. Denominator you join to the tip directly with scale. And 2:3 they said, no children. 2:3 means from the second line, from the 2:3 means 2 by 3, no children. From the second line you draw a arc, children. Parallel line. From the second line you draw a parallel line. How means it? Put here compass, draw an arc. Put here compass, draw an arc. Take this distance, and cut. Now join this. This is the parallel line, and this is imagine AB dash. So this is two parts, and this is three parts. So 2:3 is a ratio of 18 centimeters line. Like this, you should do, children. Okay. Don't worry, children. If you didn't understand, I'll explain you again. This is question, children. Okay, suppose someone will ask you, draw 5 centimeters, draw suppose 7 centimeters and divide it into 2 is to 5. 2 is to 5. No problem, children. What you will do? First you draw 7 centimeter line. 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. Don't forget. 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 centimeter you join the arc, children. From the second line, you draw a parallel line. Okay, like this, take this distance and cut it here, children. Okay, so this is two parts, and this is how many parts, children? See here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is 2:5. Like this you have to draw, children. This is arc method, children. This is arc method. I hope you are able to understand, children. Okay, those who didn't understand, one more I will say, children. Suppose draw 9 centimeter and divide into 2:6 ratio. Someone will say 2:6 ratio. Okay, so what you will do, children? Draw 9 centimeter line. Draw 9 centimeter line. 2 plus 6 is how much, children? 8. 2 plus 6 is 8. Draw 8 equal as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Eighth line you join here, children. Okay, eighth line you join here, and then from second line draw a arc. From second 2:6 actually won't exist. I'm sorry, children, but no problem. Okay, so from second line draw a parallel line. How to draw parallel line, children? From here one arc, from here one arc. Take this distance with compass. With the distance you cut. This is two parts, and this is how many parts? 6 parts. 2:6 is 8. Children. Like this you have to draw. Hope you are able to understand, children. So like this you have to do normal method, children. This is arc method. Okay. Okay, so 8 centimeter, when they asked 2:3, what you did in normal method, children, you took A and B. Okay, 2 plus 3 is 5, and you drew a line. 2 plus 3, 5 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fifth line you will join for the denominator. And from
Can you say once acute angle construction?
acute angle, any angle, Nana, they won't ask you this angle. Just to take one line, that's all. No need to take any angle, just you draw one line down, that's all.
Okay, sir.
Acute means less than 90, that's all. No construction there for that, Nana. Directly you can draw. They won't ask you how much is this angle. They won't ask you. Okay, so 2:3 means, children, from the second part you draw parallel line. See, children, 2:3, no? So from the second point you draw a parallel line. How to draw parallel line? Put here compass, and take this distance, join this. So this is two parts, and this is three parts. 2:3 is the ratio of 8 centimeter line. Like this you have to draw. I hope you understood, children. Now I will go for a Z method. How to draw Z method? So, children, Z method here acute angles are important. Draw AB 8 centimeters. AB 8 centimeters. Okay, children. So 2:3 I asked. Children, 2:3 I asked. So what you will do? Here first you draw one acute angle with the same this one, children. See, okay. Put here compass, draw an arc. Put here compass, draw an arc. Put here compass, take this distance like this with pencil. Put here compass, cut the distance. Here you get one more acute angle with the same angle. This angle should be same. This is acute angle construction. Now here, Divide two parts. 1, 2. With the same radius, here you divide three parts. 1, 2, 3. Radius should be same. And here x1, x2. Here x1, x2, x3. I'm sorry. X1, X2, X3. Join second and third line. Join here second point and join here third point. See children, this is two parts and this is three parts. That's it over. This is Z model. Okay, little bit complex, but it's this is also a model. If suppose they like this questions only will come children in the exam. Okay, compulsory because already triangles is deleted. Chances are there for this question to come compulsory children. Those who did not understand, one more sum I will tell children. Draw a 10 centimeter line in 2:7 ratio. Draw a 10 centimeter line in 2:7 ratio. This is the question. First draw 10 centimeter. Please listen children. Some acute angle. Some acute angle. Now put here compass, draw an arc. Put here compass, draw an arc. Put here compass, take this distance. Put here compass here and take this distance. Okay, and just cut like this. Now two parts down, 2 by 7, no? Two parts down with the same radius, 7 parts up with the same radius. How much radius we have taken for this? Don't change it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now this is x2, this is x7. Join 2 and 7. This is 2 parts and this is 7 parts. How, sir, you may ask? How? Because these both are angles are equal and these are vertically opposite angles. By AA, these both are similar. If children, if this is 2:7, then this also will be 2:7. If this is 2:7, then this also will be 2:7. This also will be 2:7. How? Because this angle by construction equal. This is vertically opposite angles. By AA, these both are similar. Okay, those who did not understand, one more summary, children. Compulsory it will come, children. Very, very important because already triangles have been deleted this year. But because triangles are deleted, they will concentrate on this question only. Draw a 13 centimeter line in 4 here. Big one, I will take number. Okay, 5:4. 5:4. In both methods, I will say, children. In arc method and in Z method, I will say, please try to understand. No rocket science is involved here. Very easy. 13 centimeter, draw. In arc method, 5 plus 4 is how much, children? 9. In arc method, 5 plus 4 is 9. Draw some acute angle. Divide into 9 equal parts with equal radius. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, children, 5 by 4. Okay. So what you will do, children? First, denominator always to the tip. Denominator always to the tip. Numerator is for parallel line. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 from fifth. This is fifth line, children. So from here, put here compass R. Put here compass R. Take this distance. Take this distance. Cut that. Okay. So children, this is 5. So this is 4. Since these both are parallel lines by BPT, this also will be in 5:4 ratio. This is 5. This is 4. 5 parts, 4 parts. Since these both are parallel lines by BPT, if this is 5 by 4, this is also 5 by 4. You have to explain the statement by BPT. This is arc method and Z method. Those who want Z method, I'm saying it. Okay, children. Z method. Please see, children. Okay. This is A. This is B. Okay. So down, draw one angle, any angle you wish. Put here compass, draw a radius. Put here compass, draw a radius. Take this distance. That distance you cut here. You'll get one more here. Same angle you should get. Now 5:4 means 5 down, 4 up. Okay. So with equal radius 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. With same radius what you cut here 1, 2, 3, 4. That's all. This is x4. This is x5. Now join 5 and 4. This is vertically opposite angles. These both are angles equal. This is similar triangles because these both are similar triangles. Okay, this is 5. This is 4. By CPST, this is also 5. This is also 4. Okay, children, you have to say by AA similarity. Here you what you will use, children? BPT. Here what you will use, children? AA similarity. Here what you will use, children? BPT. Okay, these both are parallel lines. So if this is 5:4, this is also 5:4. These both are similar triangles. If this is 5:4, this is also 5:4. If this is 5:4, this is also 5:4. So I told so many sums, children. Please don't forget, children. This is about the drawing straight line and cutting in given ratio. Thank you so much.